for an adventure. Let's explore a shipwreck. We need to assemble Bathy Scaff. You're doing really great. First, we have to fill it. Bathy Scaff. Pump. That's all. Let's go and find a shipwreck. And now we will be heading to the port. There is a coral reef ahead. Left rudder. Rocks on the horizon. Right rudder. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Pull the lever down to sound a blast to it. Great! We got past all the obstacles. First, we need to assemble diving boat. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Diving boat. Press the pump. We did it! Let's analyze the condition of the ship's hull. Let's repair. We need to weld a crack on the ship. Let's sand the welding seam. Let's paint the stain from the seam. Amazing! First, let's assemble a crane ship and a barge. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Crane ship. Pump. Amazing! Let's lift treasures from the shipwreck. And now, let's repair. We need to straighten the screw. You're doing really great. We have to assemble cable crane. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Cable crane. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's pick up the ship and install the pontoons. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. Attention, Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast so it'll notice us. Attention, another ship is directly ahead. Pull the lever down to sound a blast. Great, we got past all the obstacles. Let's repair. Blue barge. Let's straighten the screw. Keep it up. Filling. Blue barge. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's patch the holes in the hull. We need to wash. Blue barge. Hooray! First, we need to assemble pumping boat. Keep up the good work. Filling, pumping boat. Press the pump. We did it! Let's pump the water out of the hole. And now, let's repair. Let's clean the chain and anchor from rust. And now let's cover the chain and anchor with protective paint. Amazing! We have to assemble yellow barge. Amazing! Now we need to fill it. Yellow barge. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's tow the shipwreck to the dock. We found the real treasure and lifted a shipwreck from the bottom. Hooray!